Planning a wedding can be overwhelming, and oftentimes some couples tend to hire professionals to handle their wedding plans for them. There are so many other reasons why some will opt to take up the responsibilities of planning their weddings on their own. Either ways, it is 100% possible for you to plan the wedding of your dreams yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wikenzio here, and this is Wikenzio's Corner. If you are here for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some helpful tips that can help you while planning your wedding. Number one tips on my list is get a budget and stick with it. Auntie Chidima, I don't know why I'm referring to Auntie Chidima in this video, but the fun fact is get a budget. Like, know the amount, the particular amount you are setting out to plan for your wedding. Let's assume you are planning out 100k or thereabouts, and make sure you have a particular amount you are open to spend. Don't go and have 50,000 naira and be planning wedding of 1 million naira. It cannot be done. It cannot be possible. Just get a budget and stick to it, please. Another thing on my list is, in fact, be organized. Like, write out things. If you are like me, like, prior to my wedding, I write a lot. Like, I envisage what I would like to do, and I pen down them. At the long run, I realized, okay, this is not needed. Is this needed? In fact, get organized. Like, write down a list of what you intend to do, or what you intend to fix for your wedding, or what you intend to buy. Like, from the vendors to to the accessories you are getting, to what you intend doing, to amount you are spending on your hair and all of that. Please put them down and go over them again. Like, go over them again. Another thing I'll be mentioning in this video is get each others involved. Like, get your partner involved. Don't go and be doing Van Damme. Don't go and be doing like you can do it all. Like, you cannot do it all, no, sis. Hey, oh my goodness, you need to get your partner involved. Talk to your partner at every damn minute. Anything you think about, just tell your partner about it. You know, there is a saying that two heads are better than one. So it is better for you to talk things out with your partner. Don't go and be doing, okay, I got this, I got you. You cannot get anything. You never can get anything. You cannot get all of it alone. So it takes two to tango. And when you think about something, your partner might have another basic, another tangible way to solve out things. So please understand this and know peace. You cannot do it alone, no, sis. Don't let me lie to you. You can never do it alone. Another point I'll be talking about on this video, in this video, is work on your guest list. Fam, you need to gather your close family member, like your most especially your parents. Please, if you are African like me, if you are from Nigeria like me, see, I would like to tell you, this is a basic fact. Like, I'm talking from experience. Sit down your parents, sit down your partner, sit down people that are close to you, that are key to you. Tell them your budget. Like, just talk things out. Let them know this is what you guys are planning. You cannot be planning on a budget of 50k and your parents start inviting people that will spend nothing less than 1 million on your wedding. So please, you guys need to talk about it. Don't go and involve all your village people to your wedding when you know you're keeping it on a low. Another point I'll be talking about in this video is talk to other married couples. Seek opinion. Like, if you recently attended a wedding and you like maybe the vendor, or you like the decoration, or you like any particular thing on the at the wedding ground, put a call through to your to your married couple friends. Ask them, okay, the person that did the banquet at your wedding, please, can I get the contact? How do you guys relate? How much did this person collect? Like, talk to them, seek opinions. Like, people have been there before you, so by all means, just ask the couples for advice. Another thing, see, this one, you can overemphasize on this one. This one is another point I'll be talking about. The next point I'll be talking about is book and consult vendors that you are comfortable with. let me take that again. Book and consult a vendor or vendors you are comfortable with, the likes of your food vendor, if you are using one, drink vendors, makeup, DJ and all of that. It is essential not to rush. My darling sister, don't rush on any decision. Ensure the vendor you are booking understand your vision and is ready to work with your budget. You know, vendors are the both and not of making sure you have your desired day, and they make sure your day is memorable and everything runs smoothly. So make sure you get vendors that can work with your vision, that understand your vision. Make sure they are a team of people that you really vibe with. Don't go and take vendors that you cannot even complain about one particular thing. They would have smoked their face if there is any English like that. Oh my goodness, like in the actual sense, just get a vendor you really vibe with. Like, get a vendor you can relate to. Get a vendor that you can complain things that, well, let's say this person is doing this thing, and get a vendor you can tell that, okay ma'am, I don't like this thing, can you please change the color of this thing for me? Like, get a vendor, do you understand? Like, get a vendor that you can talk things out with, not a vendor that will be tangling face, that will be doing like, the person is the boss. No, it is your wedding. You know what you figure out, like you know what you envisage, you know how you want your day to be. So don't go and get vendor that will be squeezing face up and down on top your money. Please understand that thing. Another point I'll be talking about in this video is recruit more hands on desk. Please, auntie, you cannot do it alone. No. You can never do. See, this wedding plan, I don't know why people are not talking about these things. This thing can be overwhelming. It can be overwhelming. Like, it is not that easy. All these luxury weddings you see online and all of that, see, it takes a whole lot to make that happen. So I'll let you understand the fact that you need to recruit more hand on desk. Aside from your spouse to be, your family and friends, please, your honest friends. I'm not talking about friends from afar. Just talk to friends that you know that you can work with. Your trusted friend, talk to them. Family members, spouse to be, they are all ready to help you in one way or the other. Don't go and be doing van down. You cannot do it alone, sis. You will get tired, and at the end of the day you will break down. Let's say the next day or even before the wedding, you might break down if you carry all of it on your head. Like, you can do all of it, you can do your even that. You can, you see, I cannot put pressure on this point the more. I cannot put pressure on this point the more. Please get more hands on desk. Like, talk to your siblings, talk to your spouse to be, talk to your family and friends, seek help. Like, they are willing to help you. You are the bride. In fact, please just recruit more hands on desk. Another thing I will talk about is make sure that all your plans and everything are in order. Like 2 weeks to the wedding, say all your plans are set out. You've spoken to the vendor. Let's assume you've bargained with the makeup artist, the hair vendor, your vendors, your food vendor. If you're hiring one, talk to all of them. Like, make sure all plans are in order. Like 2 weeks to your wedding. 2 weeks to your wedding. Please try as much as possible, auntie. Please try as much as possible to take a break. Like, take a deep breath and take a break from the wedding plans. It will save you a whole lot. It won't cost too much to at least a break. Just take a break. Take a break from the wedding plans, so that on your wedding day or close to your wedding, your face and all of that won't be swollen up, won't be looking stressed and all of that. You know what I mean now? See, you cannot do this thing alone. No. You cannot just carry all of the wedding plans on your head. You end up breaking down even before your wedding, or a day after your wedding. They will just hear that the bride is admitted, God forbid. So you guys should understand what I mean. And lastly, this point here, DIY respectfully. DIY means do it yourself. Like, there are some basic things in your wedding plans that you can actually make do on your own. Like, you don't need to spend the luxury of money. Like, I'm not saying you cannot spend, or if you have the money, but average person like me, I DIY a lot even before my wedding. Even forget about wedding plans, I DIY a lot. So I'll let you know that I'm trying to let you know that there are plenty of DIY projects that can be done well in advance to your wedding. The likes of your high V. I use my high V. I'm going to link a picture here. My high V, I did it myself on my phone. You know, people don't go about printing out high Vs anymore. They do a soft copy of IV invitation card wherever you post on WhatsApp, Facebook, for anybody you would like to invite and all of that. I'm going to put a picture of my IV here. I did it myself on my phone with the head of Canva app. You guys, my proposal and acceptance letter, I did it myself. I googled. You guys, there's a video of me on my YouTube channel. I said make Google your friend. Like, there is nothing, absolutely nothing on this earth that you cannot find of Google. Just ask, it shall be given to you. It is free. Once you have data, you're good to go. So my letters, my my wedding letters, the likes of my proposal letter, my acceptance letter, I googled it, then I edited it to my own taste. I typed it on my system and I copied it on a flash and I went to print it outside. I got the container. I'm going to link a picture here if I'm able to get a picture. Then buying of my stuff, I bought almost, what do I mean by almost? I bought virtually everything myself. My costume, my shoes, my hair accessories, because I made weaving for my wedding. You guys saw in my wedding preparation, my last minute, what's it called, video, my last minute wedding plans. I made my clothes myself, my dress, I wore 2 outfits, I made them myself. Like, I did virtually things, stuff myself. So you guys DIY yourself. Like, there are plenty things you can do yourself instead of wasting money, instead of going about seeking for what is not lost. So you guys, I hope you find these tips helpful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. Please, uncle, if you are the one that came across this video, please share with your spouse to be, share with your sisters, your aunties and all of that. Let them share with their daughters and sisters that are intending to get married soon. Please let them share this video. It is important. I hope this video made it to whoever needed it. So you guys, thanks for watching this video and I would like to see you again in my next video. Bye guys.